Retro Rob's Daily Videos. Mac Attack.
Retro Rob here, and this is the Mac version of Duke Nukem Forever. It took about 15 years to produce, and it's a mediocre game. It's not really that bad. I think it's been underrated, but when I say underrated, that doesn't necessarily mean it's the best game still. I think the mechanics themselves in it are solid. There's a lot of variation. I like that about it, but it does still feel really unfinished. And it looks pretty unfinished too for a game that's been cooking so long. Anyway, here it is. I hope you enjoy it. This is the Mac specific version. I really like that they still left all the Xbox control buttons in there, which is really becoming common now in Mac games. Anyway, this one also, by the way, does work with an Xbox 360 controller without using the Tatty Bogle driver. In fact, you need to disable it in order to play with an Xbox 360 controller, which is something, if you ask me, I'll probably put a video up about one of these days. Anyway, enjoy the video. I bleeped out the bad parts so you don't have to hear them. So it is semi-kid appropriate. Thanks. Bye.
So I went on a date with that hot little
Kitten.
from my church.
Yeah, and?
And no good. Said we didn't click. Hell, that's all I wanted to do was click.
Well, maybe if you could click two brain cells together and stop talking about your damn
Kitten.
if you could figure us a way to get out of here without getting killed.
Just trying to pass the time, bro.
Holy Christ, it's Duke Nukem.
Hey, buddy, you need a ride over to the other side of that wall? Big Willie will swing over that dumpster if you want to hop on board. Hey, Willie! Swing the lady over here, will ya?
Glad you're here, Duke. Bill and I have been up here for hours. We saw some giant blood out of the construction and burrowed down into the dome this morning. We've been able to find a way out here since. It was massive. It burrowed straight through the dome and down into the earth with all the shaking that's been going on.
Yep.
Kitten.
Big as my apparendas.
What the hell were you doing looking at your hand?
Kitten.
No harm looking.
Kitten.
Right up and get some.